jam. Some of it probably rubs off now and then. This is a song that I wrote this winter. And the underlying theme of it is about loss. We all know what that feels like. But I kind of what inspired it was cabin fever. You know, the doldrums of winter. It was, I think, it was the end of February, the first part of March, and I think we got like our second or third, you know, thaw in a row, and then we just got blasted with cold weather, you know, ice and snow, and it dropped back down to zero again, you know, that kind of stuff. The wind just, you know, you were all there, I'm sure, so remember that. Anyway, the name of the song is called Cold, Cold Wind. Cold, cold wind in the hardwood trees is sucking up the steam out of my coffee. Leather chair brings a memory that haunts me like a ghost in this home. It just haunts me like a ghost in this home. Blowing in from the northeast, the crow to a low branch in a pear tree. He's soaking up the light, trying to feel some heat before the low winter sun goes down. Low winter sun is going down. Cold, cold wind, it's chilling me right down to the bone. Coffee cups cold, light another smoke. Things ain't the same since you've been gone. Things ain't the same since you've been gone. Hawk on top of a shepherd's hook. Car won't start on the overlooks. Seats big clean under every bush. Fat rabbits around here are long gone. Fat rabbits around here are long gone. Cold, 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 cold wind is stirring up dust and rattling bones. Coffee cups cold, light another smoke. Things ain't the same since you've been gone. Things ain't the same since you've been gone. Was a young man fighting if you to be free, but the flesh and bone were what it used to be. Now there's nothing I can do.